Hey guys, good morning. So sometime ago I came back from tuition, and after that I watch movie because I don't know, I'm getting so much disturbance in my mind. So that's why I watch movie, and now I'm going to have meal, and after that I'll take some rest, and then I'll go for study. So in the morning I did study for only 1 hour, so that's why I watch movie. So okay, now I'm going to have first of all meal, and then I'll do study. So guys, I have only one day for today itself for the preparation and night. So if was I yesterday I can't it not possible to do study for whole night and at least. So guys, I just wake up and sorry, I wake up sometime ago, and I just eat biscuits. Now it's time up to go for the tuition, and now first of all I'll ready for the tuition, and then I'll go tuition. So guys, I just came back from tuition. So now first of all I'm going to have freshen up, and after that I want to do my regular tasks, that is meditation, and so many tasks are pending, so I want to complete them. And also guys, in day I can't complete whole study and can't complete proper whole syllabus. So now I'll woke up for I will awake for the whole night, and I'll study for the whole syllabus. And in day I did sleep for the 2 hours, so that will enough for me, enough for the uh, awake for the whole night. So guys, without wasting time, I'm going to have freshen up, and after that I'll do meditation. So guys, some time ago I had freshen up, and after that I changed my clothes. So and then I go for the study, and I was doing study while sleeping, and I just forgot to do meditation. And okay, so now I'm going to do meditation first of all, then I'll do study. Before study I'll have meal, and then I'll do study. So first, let's see. So guys, I just did meditation. Now I am moved forward for the meal, and after having meal I'll go for the walk. And guys, while doing meditation I am getting so much thoughts. So I don't know why this happened like this, but starting this I can do properly, and I was excited for that, so that's why uh, it can. But now I'm getting so much stressed and some kind of thoughts in my mind, and but I'm I want to read off for the from these thoughts, some of negative thoughts, and but I don't know why this is like this happened like this. My mind says that just leave all these things, but I can't do, but I can't. So I'll consistent. So okay, first of all, my leg has so much what kind of mooch and something, some kind of like. So okay, so I'm going for the have meal. Let's go. So guys, I just had meal. Now I am going for walk, and after get back from walk I'll do study. So guys, I uh, I had 3 days for the next paper, for tomorrow's paper. But I did just one question for a day, so which I want to complete at least 3 to 4 questions. So okay, but whatever I have studied, it's I can score from this. But 2 questions are pending, so which I want to complete them, and after that whichever I have learned, I want to revise them. And okay, so now I'm going for walk for first. Okay, guys, I just came back from walk. So after that I just went rest for at least 1 hour, and I just watch mobile, and now I want to do study, but still I can't complete it in anything, and I don't know what I'm saying, because I'm feeling sleepy, and but I can't sleep. So whatever I have learned, I just revise them, and none of other I'll do nothing. So okay, so let's go for the study. So Okay guys, that's it for today's vlog. I will upload this video and then I will do study. So that's it for today's vlog. We'll do another one. Okay, bye bye.